Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Welcome in Study with Nova. So today we will I think it is like easy like before we writing code about the class. So we start with the reading the question. Start your class from exercise 1 and then create 3 different instances from the class and call describe restaurant for each instance. So you just reading your this is your codes before, just copy. Is it easy? And then create 3 different instances from the class. So you must add 3 different instances because you have just one instance that is restaurant, and then your name if restaurant is like a probably Indonesian questions. And then I would like to add your second one is the another instance restaurant. Maybe I would like that's Mimi. Do you know Mimi restaurant? Mimi restaurant is like my favorite Vietnamese cuisine. And then I would like the second restaurant. That's Mimi restaurant is in Rotterdam, by the way. I can recommend it. I can recommend you that restaurant because it's like it's the best. So I can eat poo. So this is the restaurant, by the way. I like eating the good food, and that's the warung gareng. So this is the warung meaning warung gareng is like the restaurant in Rotterdam. So that is like a Suriname restaurant. Actually it's like more in Japanese restaurant, Japanese cuisine actually, but I would like say that is Suriname cuisine. So this is your 3 instinct for your class, and then call describe restaurant for each instance. 3 different class and okay. This it is I would like to delete this. So here like this because we have 3 instance just like this. It's easy, and then we can say the output will be name, the name of the restaurant, type Indonesian cuisine, and then Mimi restaurant, name Mimi restaurant, and then type is Vietnamese cuisine, and then name warung gareng, type Suriname cuisine. So the output is like that. Let's try so okay, like this. So this is your output. Yeah, it's easy to understand because it is like calling this method. We just only calling this method, and then you just add the instant and then your method, the instance and your method, the instant and your method. It's easy to understand. I hope I make it clear. Yeah, so I just what's the meaning? Maybe greeting multiple instances. That is it. That's okay, done. It's easy. Yeah. Okay, let's try another questions. Bye.